Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2012. Today's economic data, ADP employment report came in at 133,000. We're expecting 154,000. GDP came at 1.9% and we're expecting 2%. Chicago PMI came at 52.7 and we're expecting 57. And initial claims came at 383,000 and we're expecting 368,000. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 139. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 23. There were 11 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 21 new 52-week lows. For the volatility, there were 439,000 contracts traded on the VIX and 60 million in total premiums paid. For the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in June, we saw a 0.38 reading with 58% of the total premiums paid. For July, we saw a 0.27 reading with 32% of the total premiums paid. We have a special offer by TradeStation. Get your Hamsi Analytics proprietary indicators paid by TradeStation. Contact Active Traders Office in Chicago, Peter Albino, at the number listed below. Here we have the daily chart for ES. We're at 1307 right now. We closed around 1.5 handles so far for the day, but we have quite a big reversal on the last 30 minutes of the day. We made a new high for the day, and then we just sold off and reversed from the highs, closing down for the day. We did not close. We basically was flat for the day. We were as low here, breaking 1300 today, but then we were up to 13018, and then we reversed, so not much happening here. Tomorrow is going to be the focus on the non-farm payrolls with the moving averages. You could see here we broke the 150-day moving average at yesterday. We could not close above it today, or the 10-day moving average. So we're looking here at the 200-day moving average of 1274. I'm first breaking here the lows of 1386. So tomorrow is going to be a key number to see what happens, if we're going to be able to break those lows tomorrow or next week and maybe go test the 200-day moving average. On the upper side, a good number, we need to break the 1331 level, which is the 20-day moving average, and then we'll have some resistance here at the 1350 level. So those are the key levels to watch for tomorrow. For gold was up, basically flat today. You can see here nothing happened. Basically, we were down this morning and then we bounced back throughout the day with pretty much the same as ES. We did not close above the 10-day moving average, you could see here, so it's still being a problem. You could get as a target the 1584 level on the upside, and on the downside we're looking to break those lows that we're making here around the 1530 level. Silver, pretty much the same as gold, reversed somewhat but then sold off again, down 1%, almost 1% today. Could not break the 10-day moving average. To the upside, we took as an upper target the 2860 level, which is the 20-day moving average, and on the downside we're looking at the 2630 level that we've been talking about for a while now. On the VIX, here we have the daily chart for the VIX, basically flat, 0.33%. At some point during the sell-off this morning, we did cross the 25 level, or the 200-day moving average we talked about, but we were not able to cross it. Basically flat. So tomorrow is gonna be a key event. If we're gonna sell off, we're probably gonna cross that 25 level. That will bring some volatility into the market, or if not, we'll come down around to a 2141 level, which is the 20-day moving average. So those are the key levels we're watching. See you tomorrow. Have a good non-farm payroll trade.